Sanibonani Dumelani, Absheni. Hi, welcome to Tommy's. Hey, ETL Shisa. Hayibo. You know when they say opposites attract, bakhuluma ngolwandle nokwezi. Because I was sitting there like, Anjani, how is this even possible? Yo, are you papi again? But I've never seen umuntu opapa njengaloyana. Hayibo, unless they've met before. Because make it make sense. This is the first time meeting, but weekend is all over the place. Upapa udlula umacele yazini. Bokusho ukuthi kube uyabuzibuza because what the hell? You know, from the moment I was like, wow, she's a cool girl, humble girl. The moment she said ukhohli igama lami and she introduced herself, I was like, wait a minute. Hayibo, kwenzakalani la? Especially knowing umacele, the type of woman umacele is mina. I was gonna be hey, bengiyozithoba because yabo ukuthi emshadweni respect is everything. That's why you see umacele enjoying a marriage because she respects her husband. So when umuntu ofika nale attitude ukuthi mina, yay, and you could see that umacele doesn't like the girl, but she was pretending. Hence why she mentioned the fact ukuthi noma angazitshela ukuthi yena makamukela isithembu ulwandle uzomshada, ulwandle makasakhathele uzomshiya. That's a sign ukuthi yazini this woman is probably not in her favor because njengoba uthi wena uyasamukela isithembu kushuthi mina ke sengizohamba ke ngiyomfunela number 2 because number 1 is not make sure speed kills yazi, speed siyabulala. And that girl is speeding like this moment. She was like, in this moment, I just wanna be so alive. Like the girl was like, like she was tired of being the girlfriend. The time is now for me to shine. Hello. Agapapi phela kodwa even the tone that she's speaking to umacele with ukhuluma ngasikhuluma nomngane wakho uyazehlela. Like, where's the level of respect? Khuluma nomuntu omdala, just show a little bit of respect. Hayibo, I'm looking at the attitude, the tone is like, yo, and the fact that she said amantombazana cannot handle ulwandle. How sure are you, sisi? You can never be sure about somebody else. Just because ulwandle uthulile today, hey, yabo labo basulile bazogila imanga. Hey, Buzani, I'm wondering ukuthi ipayashada ulandi uzokhona mara ukukhuluma kule relationship ngoba wasi nje yena uthulile. This guy mara ulande naye ayimangele mani. He must man up kancane man. Like he's sitting there ungathi uya umakoti uyashalaza. I'm like, oh my god. I wonder umshele kanjani lona. Hayi. Kodwa wamshela ngomqebo, hayi ngoba ngaphandle komqebo angiboni ukuthi la hayibo. Phela the girl is just like, she's the one who controlling your driver yona relation. Pheze mazibuko, ngiyavuma ke. Angiyakuvuma. Hawu uyaphapha ntombazane. Akana ma-break. Into ebuhlungu ukuthi ulwandle was trapped with a child that was not his, but I don't think this girl is lying because if she was lying, she wouldn't want to be part of the cameras. The fact ukuthi ngifuna ukuvela nasemacamereni is the fact that shows ukuthi she is sure about what she is saying. Ukhulelwe and wamsele kulomntwana. Yo, akubantwana. And let's talk about the fact that why umacele is thinking. Umacele uyohlezi matriarch. And I understand why umselegu made umacele umamkhulu. One thing about umacele, she might not have what otherwise have the job to work, but she is a smart woman. Hence why we see Umuzwa standing. Because imagine when she said it, because we as Mantomazana, they are chances. Mantomazana mababona imali bazokutrap. Bakutrap bavele imali nalamatsha as well. So Macele was like, not here honey, uyodlalela le hayi la. Last before nje sihambisa nje siyohlawula umntana, asihlawula umntana singeka-check i-DNA test. And this is wise because kubuhlungu ngoba uzobahlawula and then the next thing mawuthi bakubhadala back, they are not gonna babe bakutshela ukuthi hey umntwana wakho bhekalana nomntwana ethu hey whatever. So this woman nje ngiyam-understand ukuthi why ewumama.